man has been chased and mauled by a great white shark while surfing with a friend on the New South Wales north coast. The man was bitten on the leg and arm.
In the crystal clear waters of the state's far north coast, a predator lurks behind the break. Craig's mates are confident he will one day venture back into the water.
I'll be out there with him, for sure.
Yeah, he's tough, he'll be all right.
Back home in the state's newest mine at Bald Hill is preparing for its first shipment of bauxite in the coming weeks. The company is expecting to export more than 30,000 tonnes of ore in what will become a monthly shipment.
It's a well sought after commodity, and the new bauxite mine area near Campbelltown is proving a big success.